Alright guys, so right now we'll be working on making our player run. So to do that, we need to add a method to our player class. So just do public void set running, and in the body we need to just move that there. We need to do if this is animating, well, if animation is not running, and the not sign is that little exclamation point. It's the not sign. So if it's not running, if animation is not running, then we want to set can run to true. Actually, no, we don't need to do that. We could leave that. We can. It's a final long, and this is an array that holds our animation lengths. So do player and animate. Set it equal to new long, and inside of it we want to hold 100, 100, and 100, just like that, and bingo. All right, and we're going to do animate and pass it the player animate, and pass it 0 and 2. And we need to set the looping to true, so set this to true, and that means it's going to loop and keep looping, and that's it. All right, so let's test this out. We can go ahead and go to our game scene. So go to game scene, and where we attach the player right here, we can do above it, we can do player set running, and that'll make them start running. So let's go ahead and run it, and let's see what we get. All right, there's our main menu. Let's hit play, and there he is. He's running. Check him out. He's getting it. See his little legs moving. It's pretty cool. As you see there, it's like a little another part of his body is kind of like interfering with that sprite. And the reason why is because when I made that, I actually made the sprite sheets myself, so I didn't use a tool to do it for me, and I kind of made that sprite too close to him, to this this frame, so it's kind of showing that other part, but it's not too big of a deal. So yeah, as you see guys, there he is. He's running, he's animating, his eyes are moving, his legs moving, little tail moving. And what's happening is that in this where are you, this character texture here, what's happening is it's going boop 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 boop, then it's going back. And if we wanted to, actually we could actually make it go from 1 2 3, and we can make it go 1 2 3 4 like that, and we can make it go back and forth like this. And you know what, let's actually try that. Let's try and see what happens. So let's go from, what is this, 0 1 2 3. Let's go 0 1 2 3. Let's see what happens. So go back to our player, and let's go 0. Let's see. First 0 1 0 1 2 3. So let's put 3, and let's add in another 100 right there, and let's just see what happens. Let's see how that looks. I'm not really sure. I haven't tried this, so let's see how it looks. It may look pretty good. Let's see, and let's hit play. Do you guys like that? I mean, I actually like it. I think it looks more realistic because it actually shows that leg right there going in front. And you see his mouth and stuff is moving. Pretty awesome. Yeah, let's leave it like that. I like that. All right, guys. So that's it for making our player run. And what we just did is when we changed the first time when we had 0 and 2 right there, we basically told it. We said, hey, listen, I want you to animate from 0, which is right here, 1, to which is 0, 1, and 2. So these three, I want you to go 0 1 2 3, 0 1 2 3, 0 1 2 3, and it's going to just keep going back and forth. And once we added 3, now we said I want you to go to 0 1 2 3, 0 1 2 3, 0 1 2 3, and we could go 4 too, but we don't really need to go 4. We can just use these 3 right there, or these 4, and it will be perfect. And so in the next section, I'll be showing you guys how to use this animation right here, and this is the jump frame, so it actually shows him jumping in the air, which is pretty cool too. So that's it for this section, guys. As you see, our player's running now, and it looks pretty freaking awesome.